Hi, guys. Welcome to the world of learning. And as we know, teachers need to incorporate some new ways of delivering pride in the classroom, delivering a momentous approach to teaching excellence. And that is what we look forward to as a part of learning to learn as a hobby rather than an occasional occurrence. Well, friends, as a matter of fact, the modules of learning tends to approach in a various uh, topical based delivery in the classroom because monitoring students is one of the priorities by all the teachers, like how the learning is being delivered and whether the children are taking it to that capsule, to what extent. And that is what we are looking at to discuss some of the strategies of classroom management. And of course, this relates to the moment we enter the class, the revision we do, the modules we undertake, and above all, the common distractions which we face in the classroom. So everything comes with the pride of learning and with the patience of managing students in the classroom. And above all, in addition to all this, we need to approach the factual pride of learning, which comes with the future centric optimism by the schools in particular. The demand is of, in majority, the people who are master of some and jack of some, with an increase of teachers' role accordingly being most important, comes with the pride of honor being bestowed to them at large. The requirements towards being utilizing the power of technology, adopting the power of technology as an enabler has had its turn with the march of time. And it is the orientation of the technology within classroom learning style which has made the learners smarter and interested in the content being delivered. The priority is to shift from the assessment of learning to the assessment for learning to its priority. Essential schools have come of age to develop at pace through the adoption of technology for next generation schools in order. Well, as a teacher, the process is extraordinary. Respected and specialized subject delivery and expertise need to be monitored on a regular basis. A teacher is a learner of yesteryears, and hence the teacher needs to be, reoriented and try to unlearn with some of the modules so as to encapsulate delivery of knowledge in a better way. Teachers are necessary in all fields of schooling, and if you want to be instructors yourself, you need to be knowledgeable via professionals in preferred fields. The teacher education, as such, is a various area of protecting numerous subjects and numerous strategies of teaching. Teaching in any field is stressful and is a challenging opportunity undertaking and beyond normal training. A few people select to observe a specialized path which include early childhood schooling or even school education. These instructors probably need to be remonitored with the pride of learning. Some other specialized academic discipline is the Montessori form of teaching. This style seems to be simple, but in fact, it is pretty traumatic, as that is selected fashion of teaching geared towards proficient or superior college students with a degree of flexibility and customization not found in the traditional curriculum, and hence the teachers will need to study the exceptional methods of paintings within Montessori shape and observe their academic history to the fashion of teaching. Well, the concept talks about the delivery of learning has to be fertilized with the teacher training modules incepted towards classroom strategies to applications of the strategies mapping for defining and multi-level educational strategies to be aligned, cohesive, integrated, systematic, and organized. Considering the linkages between the mission and the vision of the schools in order, the teachers need a benefited role to play for how on for now with the corresponding key performance measures benefits accrued by using the strategy mapping and balanced approaches. Well, it is high time to explore the results of the satisfaction which prevails about the TET, the Teachers Eligibility Test. In India, particularly, we have it. The rising standards need to be reflected, and teachers should be inspired and informed in order to influence the achievements of the students, in order to have learning outcomes within classrooms. For it's easy to say, made public now, good teachers are costly, but bad teachers cost more. Lies of the perfection to lament the learning. In order, the teachers need to advocate for students towards navigating the many fields of diverse, disinterested, and at times hostile students population. Majorly, it is observed that 50% of the students in an average classroom don't even look in front. And for those 50% who look in front, or maximum, they do so just to please the teachers, but understand any learning. So that is the segment we need to concentrate on as a matter of fact. And of course, the best teachers instinctively reach of the parents and know how to draw them into a conversation about their child's learning. Well, it is hence the responsibility for all the schools to cater to the needs towards training of teachers, so pace and govern to the new age teaching, opportunities and challenges measured and grafted through fertilized cloud and ICT based learning is a priority on demand to activate in normal classrooms as facilitators in a big bang way. Also, to motivate and guide the learning workforce is one of the gracious responsibilities of all the teachers in particular. Well, they need to be cutting edge thinkers and learners, designers, and even child advocates to some extent. And they need to encapsulate, right? Also, to motivate and guide the learning workforce is one of the gracious responsibility of all the teachers in particular. They even need to be cutting edge thinkers and learners, designers, child advocates, activists, and even politicians to explore motivation in the classroom towards excellence and productivity, both from the academic pace as well as the cultivation towards the next generation learning in order. And the traits, as a matter of fact, towards elements of psychology, counseling, discipline, and even self confidence pertains to the apt attention towards the same. And of course, hence, to the frame, it is true to the sense that teacher training is more like an education reform for any school to nurture encouragement for the teachers and in connect the students at large. So this is your resource person on this ground, Dheeraj Mehrotra, bidding you goodbye for now. Take care and stay blessed.